Next speaker is Mr. Hiroyuki Mitsui, Deputy Director, Global Environmental Affairs Office, GX Policy Group, Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, Government of Japan. METI's support program for the JCM. Mr. Mitsui, please.
Hello, my name is Hiroyuki Mitsui. I'm in charge of joint creating mechanism in the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, METI. And I will give a brief presentation of the support program that the METI is providing for JCM projects. Sorry, Mr. Kiname explained, Japanese government is providing several programs for supporting JCM projects, and the largest support program is the Ministry of the Environment's finance program for JCM model project, which target relatively mature and established technologies. In contrast, METI targets relatively advanced technologies, such as Japan has not previously introduced overseas and require technical demonstration. And METI supports feasibility studies for advanced technologies. And NEDO, New Energy and Industrial Technology Development Organization, affiliated organization of the METI, conducts demonstration projects. And the METI's projects, support projects provides 100% of the necessary costs of the project, and this is a key feature of our program. And the feasibility study is a one-year program in which project participants examine the feasibility of implementing the project and prepare a proposed methodology. And the METI provides support of around 15 million yen, around $100,000 per project. And after the feasibility study is completed, one of the outcomes is a demonstration program implemented by NEDO, and which provides support of up to $7 million per project. And NEDO's support program is divided into 3 stages. Firstly, conducting a pre-demonstration survey within 1 year. And then move to a 3-year demonstration stage of the project. And after that, project participants will monitor the issuance of credit over a 2-year period. And this slide shows the structure for NEDO to conduct the demonstration project. Before the demonstration, NEDO needs to conclude a memorandum of understanding with the government agency of Moldova and implement the project in cooperation with that agency. And in addition, under this program, Japanese demonstration operator and their local counterpart have to sign project agreement. And the conclusion of these two agreements is a condition for the start of the demonstration project. So if a project is under consideration and ready to move on demonstration, we would like to ask for the cooperation of the Moldovan government. And this slide summarizes the feasibility studies adopted by the METI in 2023 and the pre-demonstration surveys conducted by NEDO. And as you can see, the relationship between Japanese companies and the Asian region is very deep. So many JCM projects are being carried out in Asia region. But however, the project in Moldova is one we should deserve particular attention. I think SDG Impact Japan will explain later, but at present, the company is working with Zelnov, Moldova's largest ethanol producer, on a project to use distillation residue from ethanol production as biogas. And in these slides, there are only 4 projects worldwide that have progressed from feasibility studies to NEDO's pre-demonstration surveys. And Moldova project is one of them. And we hope that their cooperation will continue smoothly and they will be able to enter into demonstration stage as early as possible. And this slide shows the feasibility study project adopted by the METI this year. And we recently held a second call for applications and have added 7 more projects. And unfortunately, there are no applications for the Moldova project this year, but we are strongly hoping for our next project implemented in Moldova in near future. And this slide shows about the private sector JCM. Rather than implementing a project with funding from Japanese government, Japanese company could implement a project on its own initiative and funding in partnership with partner country. This is called private sector JCM, and the Japanese government is also promoting this type of JCM and has prepared a support program for them, such as guidelines. And this slide shows use of JCM, and I think Mr. Kiname already explained this, and I could skip this slide. And finally, I have written some advice or tips for companies that are thinking of starting up a JCM project and participating in it. At first, I think I don't need to say this, but partnership between Japanese companies and Moldovan companies is necessary. And I think it would become easier to get support from Japanese government for projects that use Japanese technology. And also, I think information about what kind of projects the Moldovan government is looking for is very important. So I hope that the Moldovan government will kindly provide this kind of information. So this is my presentation, and thank you very much for your attention.